Hey guys, I'm Danielle Phillipson and I'll be your instructor for this class. I'm really excited to see many of you back. I've worked with a few of you in the past, which is exciting. For those of you who don't know, I have my undergraduate degree in sociology from UC Irvine. I then went to Cornell University and got my master's in healthcare administration. And I worked for a long time in healthcare leadership. A primary role that I had was teaching people how to use data for decision making. As that process went along, I ended up teaching online as a favor to somebody, and then it turned out that I really loved it. So fast forward many years, I got my graduate certificate in instructional design from Plymouth and continued to teach and work, and have been actually working on my doctorate in organizational leadership with a focus on learning with emerging technologies. So I'm still in that process, have a while to go, but I look forward to sharing any things that I'm learning in my own courses with y'all. And I hope that you guys can bring some of your work experience and I can share my work experience and make this just a great course for you. Again, I apologize about the book situation. There was a last minute schedule change, so I actually didn't know that I was going to have the chance to work with you until about Wednesday night. So I'm excited to be here. I am looking forward to working with each of you, and please be sure to ask any questions that you have.